If you cannot change the people around you, change the people around you. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that you do not have to suffer all the time. So let's get into the video. Firstly, nothing in this world you can control. All you can control is yourself. All you can control is your body. All you can control is your mind. All you can control is your feelings. Okay, so it is all up to us that how we are going to respond and react. It is all up to us. It is not depend on the person or the situation or the environment. It is up to us. You have the complete access of yourself. You have the complete access of your mind. You have the complete access of your feelings, and you know what is right or what is wrong for you. But still, you are letting yourself suffer in a situation where you are just draining yourself. Why? Literally, why? When you have the choice to leave, why you are choosing to stay? When you have the right to walk away, why you are letting yourself suffer? People are doing what they want to do. They are having fun, they are enjoying their time, they are doing whatever they want to do. And what you are doing? Wasting your time, wasting your energy, everything. Don't you have a life to live? Is your time not precious? Is your energy not precious? If it is, then why you are just wasting? Why? When you can live the absolute best life that you deserve, then still why you are choosing to live the life that you never think of? Why? You just have to choose yourself over anyone. You just have to choose your happiness over anyone else's happiness. You just have to prioritize yourself first. This is all what you have to do, and this is very easy. This is very simple. Choosing yourself over anyone is a very simple thing to do. It may sound a little hard, but when you do that, you feel so happy. You feel so happy. Because if you are not, this is your life and you are not happy with where are you right now in your life, then what is the meaning of life? Your first priority is making yourself happy. Then why you are not doing that? This is not being selfish. This is making yourself happy, and you deserve that. Because God gave you this life to live for yourself, not for other people, not for the society. So if you are choosing yourself, if you are choosing your happiness, that is not selfish at all. This is called self-love, and you deserve to do that. You have full right to love yourself. You have full right to live the life that you really want. So you really do not need to think about other people. Think about for yourself first, because this is all matter. When you have a proper ability to leave a situation, leave a person, or leave a relationship that is literally draining you, not helping you to grow, and you can see that clearly that I am losing myself, this is not helping me at all, then why the hell, for what reason you have to live there and waste your life, waste your energy, waste your time? Why you have to do that? Why? If you know that this relationship is not helping me, this person is not helping me, the situation and the environment that I'm living in is not for me, and I'm not the person who should be here, I deserve so much better than this, then why the hell you have to be there? For what reason? For what? You have the ability, proper ability to walk away. You have that, and you can do that. Again, I'm saying it might be sounding a little difficult or very difficult, but it is not. When you do that, you feel so free. You feel so free, and then that's when you realize, oh my God, this self-love is very important. Choosing myself over anyone is very important. I did that. I am glad I did that, and you will never regret that decision. Never. Because at the end of the day, not just you, but your surroundings also matter. The person you are with, your relationship, your family, your friends, the situations and the environment really matters. And if you are in a situation that does not suit you, in an environment that you doesn't belong to, you really do not have to live there. No. If you are with a person who is just complaining about you, complaining about the relationship, complaining about you and not encouraging you, and making you count all your flaws, do you think that relationship will take you anywhere, or this relationship will go anywhere, or the family members or the friends? These things really affect a human being's mind and their thinking. The way you think, the way you live, these all things matter. So if you want to go beyond, you have to think beyond. And for think beyond, you have to change your surroundings. If people around you not making you feel worthy, you leave those people. Just leave them. There is no reason you should be with person who is just draining you, who is just trying to put you down. If you want to go beyond, you should surround yourself with people who think that you can go beyond. Eating healthy, living healthy life, going to the gym, workout, surround yourself with good people, good friends, and your relationship should be in a healthy relationship. These all things really matter. And if you do that, you can see the clear difference, literally the clear difference in yourself, the way you think, the way you live, the way you behave. Things totally change when your environment change. So if you do not have the ability, like I said in the first, if you don't have the ability to change a person who you really love, you should really change that person. Really. Because nothing comes first. You choose yourself first. Make yourself happy first. You do not have to waste your life for a person who do not care about you, who cannot see your good things. So yeah, surround yourself with good people, live with good people, live in a good environment, and choose yourself over anything. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.